Hi, Jessica Smooth, this is for you. I love you, and I hope you enjoy this, and welcome back to Tulare. Bye, see you soon.
I'm filming.
Is there a Jessica Smooth here?
Yeah.
I heard he's here, girl. I flew in. I'd like to see him running to the Chicago. Did you watch him go like that, please? Yeah. Girl, I had to stop at the grocery outlet and look, this shit what I got. I'm telling you. Oh my God. Is there a Vern here?
Yeah.
I got this from your ex-wife, Hibiscus.
Hibiscus.
Yes. And there's a Wii game here, right? Somebody needs a controller. Yeah. Oh, let me see what else I got going on in here. They confiscated my damn dope on the plane, but I got the blunt wraps. Oh! Okay.
Clearly it's karma because I brought the really good shake.
Uh-oh, what'd I do?
I'll get on that.
It don't matter.
I'll take one of those and I'll just get started.
Is this your axe? Your solid gold axe? I threw it in the fucking river. Could you get it for me? Oh, and I also heard that Mother Superior was here.
Oh shit! Oh! God damn it! I'm so sick of this shit.
Oh, and I heard that somebody needed a little head.
Hey.
Yep. And I also heard somebody was going to London.
Where is she?
Going to London, right? Going to London. Yes, you are going to London. Okay, and also, you know, this is really tiresome coming from the 1906 to the 20th century. I know somebody plays this Warcraft shit, right?
Whoa!
And last but not least, this bitch got to learn some medieval apprentice while she in Tulare.
Oh, midwife apprentice.
So, I am so glad that I can entertain you tonight and have more to come.
Thank you, Liz.
She killed the rabbit!
Nobody's fine.
So many
Feel that.
things, Liz. Thank you. Oh, it's heavy.
It's heavy.
See the dagger?
Don't hurt Chicago. You probably don't need that.
Hug me.
Can I play with the dagger?
No. Hey, no.
Hey.
No.
So sweet. I can't even deal with you.
Oh my
God.
God.
Stop!
Yep, same break for you.